So this is question 19, and we're given a system of equations, and it's asking us to find the y value of the solution. So when you're given a system of equations, you're almost always going to use the method of substitution, which is when you solve one of the equations for either x or y, depending on what it's asking for. In this case, we're being asked for y, so we're going to solve for x, substitute that into the second equation, or the other equation, and solve for y. So in this case, it's easier to use the first equation to solve for x. So first we just subtract 4y from both sides to isolate x. So that would be negative 3x equals 4 minus 4y. And then all we have to do is divide both sides by negative 3, which would be x equals negative 4/3 plus 4/3 y. So this is our x. And now we can change colors because we're starting with the second equation, which is 4x minus 3y equals 0.5. So all we have to do to find y is substitute this into the second equation. So that would be 4 open parentheses negative 4/3 plus 4/3 y, and then we're just taking the rest of the equation up here, minus 3y equals 0.5. Now it's just simple simplification and solving for y. So first we're going to use the distributive property to be negative 16/3 plus 16/3 y minus 3y equals 0.5, and then combining the like terms here, that yields negative 16/3 plus 7/3 y equals 0.5. Now we're going to keep the y on one side and add 16/3 to both sides. So it would be 7/3 y equals 35/6. Finally, all we have to do is multiply both sides by 3/7. So that cancels that out. And then here we can do 2, 5, y equals 5/2. And that's our answer to the value of y.